Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across an issue with the iTunes application where it says iTunes has detected a problem with your audio configuration. Audio/video playback may not operate properly. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. The first thing I recommend doing would be to open up iTunes and then select the Edit tab. Select Preferences near the bottom of that list. And now you want to go in the drop down and you want to select the playback button. And underneath Play Audio Using, click inside the drop down and select Direct Sound. And then once you've done that, go ahead and select OK. So there you go, guys. Pretty straightforward process. Something else I want to try as well. Open up the search menu, type in services. Best match should come back with services. Go ahead and open that up. Locate the audio service. Locate the Windows Audio service. So scroll down and then double click on it. Go ahead and stop the service and then you want to go ahead and start it back up and then select OK. And then that's another potential thing to take a look into as well. And that should hopefully be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.